Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by gathering what proves you legally own the item: receipt, order number, or card used. Once done, go to the store where you bought it or contact their customer service. You should bring the tagged item and any original packaging, because staff often need to verify purchase and check the tag type. Make sure your ID is available if required. This speeds up the process and avoids misunderstandings. You ask staff directly for an authorized removal. Store employees are trained and have the proper equipment. Once they verify your proof, they will use a secure removal device or follow in-house procedures designed to avoid damage or ink rupture. Make sure to stay nearby and follow any instructions they give. If the store is closed, call customer service for an appointment or guidance rather than trying to remove the tag yourself. You finish by inspecting the item to confirm the tag is fully removed and undamaged, and keep your receipt. This documents the resolution. If a tag remains stuck or shows damage, request manager assistance or contact the brand's authorized support. Do not force removal. Once done, for online purchases, make sure the seller or carrier authorizes any removal steps. Troubleshooting tip: if staff refuse help, remain calm and ask for a supervisor, or use the retailer's official customer service channels.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.